How y'all doing today? So, my name's John. I own the Connect LLC, electrical contracting company, primarily industrial, but we'll do a little everything. I started this process about a year and a half ago to get my Alaska administrator's license, master electrician license in other states. It's pretty labor intensive for Alaska. You got to ship some forms out and get some signatures, get your hours verified, and of course pay money, and go take your test. Here in Alaska, it's a 100-question, 4-hour code test, similar to the journeyman's exam, a little harder, but it went well. So I held on to that for a little while and decided that it was time to maybe hang my own hat, or at least make an attempt at it, picking up some side work. I've got a really good job up here, and I just wanted more. We want more. There's toys out there we want, kids have activities, you know how it goes. So I started down the road of getting licensed. Multi-step process in Alaska, holy cow. You got to buy your bond. Amount depends on what you want to do, who you want to do it for. You got to buy general liability insurance, which is common for everybody. A little bit higher bond and liability if you're going to do industrial work, and you have to find a company that is okay with you doing industrial work. And so that was pretty easy. And then you get to the specialty contracting license through the state. You pick your categories and you apply for that. So that's the stage I'm at. Application went in the mail this morning. I got my bond paperwork yesterday, and so patiently waiting. So now I've been going through and printing out all my business license applications. So you need a state license and you need county licenses or borough licenses. But I live in the middle of two areas, so I need a license for both sides. Tax paperwork's for both sides. And you start looking at it, and I pay the state for my administrator's license. I paid an outside entity for the test. Then I have to pay the state for a business license, but I can't buy the business license from the state until I get the contracting license approved from the state. And then I can't buy the business license until my administrator's license becomes active and assigned to my company. And then once I get the state business license, then I can start buying the borough business licenses. Holy cow. It's getting really difficult, at least my feelings. It's very difficult in America these days to try to break free and start doing your own thing. Lots of people want to. There's lots of brilliant people with brilliant ideas, but I feel like we're stifled sometimes when we try to better ourselves, better our family situation, whatever you want to call it. There's so much money involved up front just in fees and licensing, and I understand why. And I understand the need for the bond and the liability insurance, and that's all well and good, but man, I got to have 4 business licenses, 2 electrical licenses to operate in a 50-mile radius of my home. Yeah, that's how I felt too. Anyway, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. What's it like in your area? What do you guys have to do to start a business? Electrical contracting, mechanical contracting, maybe you're a plumber and pipe fitter. What do you have to do? You got to have a master's license, somebody with a master. And same way up here. How's your process work? Again, John with the Connect. Take it easy.